This method to factor a quadratic is called the slide and divide method. And what we're going to do is we're going to slide this first term to the last term and multiply them together and then eventually divide all at the end. So 10 times 4 is 40. So I replace the 10b squared with just a b squared as if this 10 just moves back there. So I get b squared plus 13b, which stays the same, plus 40. Now what we're going to do is we're going to factor this as if it's just any old quadratic. Here we can see that this is a 40 and this is a 13. So we look at factors of 40 and I write down the factor pairs of 40 that will give me 13. 1 times 40 is 40, but added together gives us 41. 2 and 20 would give us 22. 3 doesn't go into 40. 4 times 10 is 40, but added together gives us 14, not 13. And then there's 5 plus 8, which will give us 13. So we can write this as b plus 5 and b plus 8. Now that would give us, when multiplied together, would give us b squared plus 13b plus 40, not what we wanted, 10b squared plus 13b plus 4. So actually what we do is we look and we say, well, what do we have to do to get from 40 to 4? And the answer is we have to divide by 10. So what we do is instead of adding plus 5, we add 5 divided by 10. Instead of adding plus 8, we add 8 divided by 10. This is the divide part of slide and divide. With any fraction, I should always reduce. So 5 over 10 is 1 over 2. And 8 over 10 can be reduced to 4 over 5. We typically don't like to have fractions in binomials when factoring. So what we're going to do, we're going to move these denominators to be the coefficients of these terms. So we're going to get 2b plus 1, and this will be 5b plus 4. When we look back and we multiply this together, we'll see that this will give us the original quadratic we had. This is the slide and divide method.